Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make whipped cream with just 2 ingredients, done in under 2 minutes. You want to know how? Let's get started. To make whipped cream, all you need is 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then use a hand mixer to combine all your ingredients. Gradually increase the speed since you don't want powdered sugar everywhere. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Continue mixing until the cream gradually thickens up. The best way to know when your whipped cream is done mixing is when you can form stiff peaks just like this. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. You can add this whipped cream to any of your desserts, smoothies, or even waffles. Check out my video on how to make durian pancakes. And here you have it, whipped cream made in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.